It's a flat start to the Nifty, and it's a flat start for the Sensex as well. 3 points up for the Nifty, 21 points up for the Sensex. Whereas JP Associates 71. Debt burden is a huge problem for JP Associates. The debt total interest outgo is more than the total EBITDA they are generating, and they failed to raise any repair capital in the last 6 months. But bear in mind, the stock already has corrected by about 25% plus from the recent high, so the downside really could be restricted. ONGC, numbers were strong. There are multiple triggers in the near term, and for those who believe that energy reforms are here to stay, they're calling ONGC as a cheap stock. 314 rupees for ONGC. Let's also look at SAIL and JSPL. Both these companies are due to declare numbers today. Let's not also ignore Voltas. They came out with horrible set of numbers. Quarter on quarter, now for 3 quarters on the trot now, Voltas has disappointed Indian markets. In terms of metals, Sterlite Industries and Hindalco are holding on. Cement stocks are taking it slightly easy, and IT stocks are off to a rather flat start.
Not much of action when it comes to broader markets as well. Unitech, of course, is a stock in focus, wherein Sanjay Chandra has been quoted as saying that he's never met prosecutor A.K. Singh in the 2G case. So clearly, the probe over there continues. Tata Power, they're now in early stage talks with IDFC PE-owned Green Infra to merge their renewable energy business. That's something you read first in the Economic Times this morning. So Tata Power, of course, is a stock in focus. TTK Prestige says that they've received Canadian patent for microwave pressure cookers. TTK Prestige has gotten off to a decent start. 34.98 is where the stock is. ONGC, JP Associates, Britannia, Punj Lloyd, Voltas, all earnings reactions coming in there. JP Associates lower by 1%. Britannia has started off just about okay. Voltas marginally in the green. Punj Lloyd down by about 0.8%. ENIL, JSW Ispat, Indian Hotels as well should be stocks that should be reacting to their earnings. ENIL, of course, has gotten off to a very smart start. Almost 3% bump up coming in that one. JSW Ispat looking okay. And Indian Hotels is the other one, wherein the net profit has come in higher this time around at 64.6 crore rupees. And Indian Hotels is now nudging that 63 mark in trade. Welspun Projects, Tara Jewels, Hanum Toys are all seeing some earnings reactions. HPCL, Oil India, Power Grids, SAIL, IFCI are some counters that you would want to look out for pre-earnings reactions. So let's see how these stocks are doing, and it's pretty much a sea of green. So yes, pockets of strength is what you're seeing currently in the market. Let's see what are the active movers. Indian Hotels clearly topping the charts of percentage price gainers. ONGC, Syntex has had a very smart start. GSPL is the other one which is looking good, and Unitech is now sinking in trade. 9.25% cut is what Unitech is currently seeing. Other active participants include the likes of Reliance Capital, Ambuja, Infi, JSW Energy, all seeing open interest dips. On the flip side, gains coming in for Voltas, Tata Motors, Dr. Reddy's, the mover from yesterday, HCL, as well as Jindal Steel.